combine all the monitors in the arena to one giant screen. Make some noise if you were here in 2008. We are going to have the Rovio Mega Screen happening here tomorrow 2 times, so we are going to do that again. And that means that we are going to use your computers that are located on the base floor and combine them to one big giant screen. So everybody needs to be here. If you have a computer place, do not be elsewhere. Do not be sleeping at Friday. We have two sets. We have one at 2 o'clock, so 14 hours, and then it's 5:30 in the afternoon. So we have 2 sets. Do not be away from your computer. Do not play any games. You'll receive more instructions when we are starting the show.